uJesu unathi You see, I've got my own friends who see me so cool, and when I lose it, excuse me, if you came looking for a fine tent, but I can't keep quiet because this thing is like fire shut in my bones. For the longest time we were told as artists that we should not proclaim or preach the word. All we are good for is singing. I've come better news than for me sing. But they're here tonight. All we've got to do is to proclaim the word. We've got to proclaim the word of salvation. The Bible declares that when Christ came, he speaks of himself and says, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me, for he has anointed me. And so I've come tonight to tell you, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. I am anointed to preach the gospel of good news to you. And the chain that is holding you, the addiction that is troubling you, the bitterness that is stopping you, we bow at the mention of the name Jesus. Relationships. Yeah, they all done. Yeah. If I'm gonna tell you this, you will take my paper, my son, come here to me. It's fine and that. Be there, Tina.
Yabutumbuso ngakulunkulu sondele. Phenduka